Today we are going to explore the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia, Kek Lok Si Temple. It's a really gorgeous place located on Penang Island. It's very famous for both locals and tourists, and now we are also going to have a look at it and enjoy its beautiful architecture. The temple combines Chinese, Thai and Burmese styles. We will see its stunning pagodas, statues and gardens. Not far from the entrance of Kek Lok Si Temple, there is a turtle liberation pond, which is a special place where people release turtles, believing that it will bring them good luck and long life. The pond has many turtles of different sizes. Turtles here are seen as symbols of long life and good health. There is a man near the pond selling grass to feed the turtles, which is a very fun activity, especially for kids. Even though the temple is usually busy, the pond is a quiet and calm place to relax. The temple takes good care of the pond, keeping it clean and safe for the turtles. Releasing turtles into the pond is a long-standing tradition, especially during festivals, and it's an important part of the temple's culture and religion. In order to reach the temple, I needed to walk up the hill for around 15 minutes. It's also possible to go up there by car, taxi or funicular train, but I chose a budget option. The construction of Kek Lok Si Temple began in 1890 and was led by a Chinese businessman who was also a devout Buddhist. He wanted to create a beautiful place for Buddhist worship and to help spread the teachings of Buddhism. The temple was built in stages, with different sections added over the years. Many workers and craftsmen from China came to help, using traditional building techniques. The temple is a mix of architectural styles, including Chinese, Thai and Burmese designs, which reflect the influence of the different cultures in the area. Today, the temple complex continues to grow, with new structures and renovations being added to preserve its beauty and significance. The temple is really super gorgeous and colorful. There were quite a lot of bloggers there, and also two beautiful girls were wearing traditional Chinese clothes. It's so beautiful! They came here for a photo session and they really looked like they're from some fairy tale. As the temple is built on a hill, you get amazing scenic views of the surrounding area. When you look out, you can see the beautiful city of Georgetown below, and also green hills and forests around the temple. I really like the atmosphere of the place. Now let's go to the praying hall of Kek Lok Si Temple. The place is filled with the soft glow of candles and the fragrant scent of burning incense. There are large statues of Buddha and other important Buddhist figures, which are the focal points for worship. Worshippers bow and pray before the statues of Buddha. They often put their hands together and make silent or spoken prayers for blessings, health, and prosperity. People often bring flowers and fruits as offerings to the Buddha statues and other deities in the temple. These offerings are placed at the altars in the praying halls. Another main tradition is burning incense sticks. Worshippers light incense and place them in large burners as a symbol of respect and to carry their prayers to the heavens. Visitors also light candles in the prayer halls as a symbol of enlightenment and to remove darkness from their lives. Another big building on the territory of Kek Lok Si Temple is the Scripture Hall. This hall is dedicated to the study and reading of Buddhist scriptures and texts. Inside you can see long tables arranged in rows, each filled with numerous books and sutras. These texts are important religious writings that contain the teachings of Buddha and other Buddhist scholars. This hall has a quiet and serene environment where monks, worshippers, and visitors can read, study, and reflect on these sacred writings. It is a place of learning and spiritual growth, emphasizing the importance of education and understanding in Buddhism. I was in Kek Lok Si Temple during Chinese New Year, so it was beautifully decorated with thousands of colorful lights and lanterns. The whole temple complex was glowing brightly, which created a really magical atmosphere. There were red lanterns everywhere that symbolize good luck and prosperity. The gardens, pagodas, and buildings were all illuminated, so at night the temple looked even more gorgeous. In the evening, the temple became even more crowded. A lot of people came to enjoy the beautiful lights, participate in prayers, and celebrate the New Year. There were also special decorations with dragons. I got on top of a high pagoda from where there was an amazing view on the whole temple complex and the beautiful city of Georgetown at the background. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I hope that you enjoyed it. If so, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!